Okay, hey India, it is Karen. I am going to show you how to, what am I showing you how to do? Oh yeah, Canadians, how to place Canadian product. So the banners are super simple. The banners are the same way. So the product that's going to get tricky. So I've shared my screen with you, and we're going to work on Richard Baum. So Richard Baum is Tee Off Web Deals. You can find him in here, or wherever the hell it is. He's right here. Okay, so the banner stuff you've got already here, but I need the product put in. So, and I'm working on getting paging it correctly. So I want to show you. Let me log in to his, and you know how to go to the Amazon. It's for the Canadians. It's Amazon or associates.amazon.ca. And so for the Canadians, you're going to see them set up differently because we have to choose each individual product, just like we were doing in the very beginning. So I'm going to start with computers because that's the one that I have set up for you to view for this teaching purpose. So once when you open it, you're going to see it's set up a little bit differently. How before it would just be one block like this, and then you'd set the code in and be done. This one, because we have to set them individual products, everybody is going to get a 4x4. It's what's called a 4x4. So the banners are here, and like I said, if you go in and look at the banners, you'll see that the banners are set exactly the same. But here, we're going to do a 4x4. So that means they're going to get 16 products per section. So, and I'm not sure, I probably forgot to put, probably forgot to take out, yeah, I did. So I'm going to take out, I'll have all these taken out for you, and my computer is working really slow and I apologize. God dang it. Okay, so what we do to do that is we go over here, and I'm going to make this small so you can see it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and log in to Richard Baum's account. And you should be the very last one that I did. Yep. So you can go ahead and log into him. And again, remember the same thing is, everything is the exact same except for how we place products. So we're going to, how to place products. You go up here to product link, the product linking, and you're going to choose the very first one, product links. So you select that. And then, so it's kind of what you're used to seeing, except for it's just placed a little weird, and we have to get one single product at a time. So we'll go back over here, and we're going to see that we're going to choose computers. We're going to select computers, desktop computers. This is supposed to say desktop computers. I'll change that. So we're going to type in desktop computer, and you're going to see it's going to bring up a whole bunch of desktop computers. So now, this one is a little bit difficult to choose which one is the better one to pick. Like in the other one, we can pick by the amount of time, the amount of likes they had, or stars they had, or whatever. This one, it's just kind of an unfortunate hit or miss. I mean, we can do it by customer review if you'd like. It takes a little bit more hunting than before. So let's just say we're going to go with this one. We're going to click on Get Link. And it's going to open up a window much like you're used to seeing. And then you're going to go use the larger image. And I don't ever show border. I don't ever show anything like that. I really wish I could figure out a way to take away buy from Amazon.ca, but I can't. All right, so basically you're just going to use larger image and leave all of the rest of this blank. Come down here, copy, go over here, and just like before, you're going to paste it. Now, oops, you're going to paste it. So now what I do to keep track of which ones I've put in and which ones I haven't is I go down here, and since I know this is going to say desktop, God dang it, I'm like anal about my writing. I'm going to put in brackets, I'm going to put D for done. That's how I know I have that one done. So now you see it says D for done. So then I'm just going to come right back over here, and I'm going to do product links. Now you have another option of, so you don't have to keep going back to product links. I'll show you in 1 second. So you can go desktop computers, and then you can, again, you can choose to save it or sort it by relevance, by customer reviews, if you'd like, or you can just go down the line and pick it. So now, the other way that I have found it that is it makes it a little bit easier is you can put, I think there's 2 ways you can do it. You can either go like this, and you can copy and paste. You can copy it, go over here, and I have to look at this one because, like, literally, sometimes they work and sometimes they don't. So if you do it this way, just know that you have to actually look at it, because sometimes it's not, it's just a link and it's not a product. So see, this is just a link. So now I know I don't want to do it that way, because I don't want to just put links in. So now I know that that probably is not going to be the best way. And how I did that was I just clicked, instead of clicking on get link, which allows you to build the link, if you click on the down arrow, that's what just gives you the link. And that's it. No picture, no nothing. So how you do it is, if you want to go, if you want to stay on this page, but you want to be able to get the link. So you go to get link and you right click it and you open it in a new tab. Then that actually takes you to the product that you're wanting to build the link for. So then again, you just go use larger image, and then that's it. You copy, and you go back over here, and you paste it. And then go again down here, and again, you'll only have to put the D next to it. Computer, and then the D for done. So then you just keep moving on, and it's a pain in the butt. So you go back over here, and now you can just close out of this box because you're done. You've done that one. And then you come back over here, you right click, open a new window, wait for the window to open, come down here, use large image, highlight, copy. And again, these won't be in here, but paste, come down here. Do the D for done. Remember, you will not have to put desktop computer or whatever it is, because I'm going to fix that for you. I just did it. I was in such a hurry. And then it's just simple. You come in here again, and you're ready to move on to your next one. So you can click out of this one up here, go back in, go back down, and you can see which ones, you'll notice which ones you've done. You always know what you come back to, because you'll see there's this little orange line around the get link. That's how you know that's the one where you left off at. So I think we did this one, so oh no, we didn't do this one. So I'll go over this one. That's why it's better if you do it that way. I don't even sort it. I just go in and put it in, because it is what it freaking is. So you use a link, copy, paste it, come down. Oh my God. Done. And that's it. And so we're just going to do a 4x4 of each one. All right. So each one and then as you finish, you just do it, and that's it. So 4x4s, each individual program, each individual products. Put a D in brackets so you know that it's done. And then when you're done with each one, you just click out of it, and then you come down here and you're like, okay, I left off right here because there's an orange around the get link. So then I'm going to move on to the next one. And you don't have to do every, like, so now I probably wouldn't do that one. I'd probably move on to like this gaming computer. So I would do that one. And you can see the price too. The price makes, some of them have the prices and some of them don't, because some of them get to be built. So you can see the price, Canadian price, and CDN, that's what means Canadian price. I don't always go by the Canadian price because I don't know the exchange rate. So I just kind of pick what ones I think would work and what ones I think wouldn't. So that's how you do that. And then I think there was another one that you asked me about, but I'm not sure. And then you just go in here, and I'll have this set out just exactly the same way as the other ones will be. Richard Baum is one that I need to finish up. So if when you're done with Charlene, you can help me with Richard if I'm not done with him. So that's how you do that. And if you have any other questions, just let me know. And I hope the video was helpful. Just buzz me on Google Hangouts when after you've watched it, and let me know if you have questions, okay? I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.